This is the Tokyo Monorail, connecting Haneda Airport with Tokyo Center. Today, let's take this monorail to go from Haneda International Airport Terminal 3 station to Shinjuku Station in Tokyo. I'm gonna show you exactly how to buy a discount ticket at a vending machine, how much does it cost, how long does it take to get to Shinjuku Station, how to get an IC card, how to get to the platform, luggage rules, operating hours, how to transfer to the Yamanote Line at Hamamatsucho Station, and how is the monorail compared to the KEIKYU line and the bus in terms of time and cost. If you're going to Shibuya Station, Harajuku Station, or any station on the Yamanote Line, you can use this video as a reference too. I have a video about this monorail which I created in 2022. There have been a lot of updates since then, so I want to create this video to share with you the updates and new things that I've learned. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take this monorail when you come visit Tokyo, Japan. This video is not sponsored or affiliated. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to help me continue to create more videos. I really appreciate it. Now, if you're coming to Tokyo via Haneda Airport, congratulations. It's already within Tokyo. It means that it doesn't take much time and money to get to where you stay at in Tokyo. Haneda Airport has 3 terminals. Terminal 1 is for domestic flights. Terminal 2 is for domestic flights and some international flights. And Terminal 3 is for international ones. So if you're coming to Tokyo on an international flight, it's very likely that you're gonna be in Terminal 3. And there are 3 options of public transportation that you can take to get from Haneda Airport to Tokyo Center. Option 1 is the monorail, option 2 is the KEIKYU line, and option 3 is the bus. I've tried getting to Shinjuku Station from Haneda Airport by the bus and by the KEIKYU line. Today, let's take the monorail to Shinjuku Station for a comparison. So after you get out of the airport customs check, this is what it looks like at Terminal 3 of Haneda Airport. You are at the arrival lobby on the 2nd floor. From the arrival exit on the right-hand side, there's a waiting area and there are many shops to get Wi-Fi SIM cards if you need to. On the left-hand side from the arrival exit, there are ATMs and a place for money exchange. You will need to have some cash to buy a monorail ticket. So if you don't have any Japanese yen yet, you can exchange here. In my research, the further away from the train stations, the better the exchange rate. Now, if you walk straight forward from the arrival exit, there's an information desk. And from here, you can see 2 train stations. The KEIKYU train station is on the right, and the Tokyo Monorail station is on the left. Today, we are taking the monorail, so let's keep left here and walk to the monorail station. At the monorail station, there are ticket vending machines and there's a JR Travel Service Center. By the way, the monorail is not operated by JR. It's operated by Tokyo Monorail, and there are 2 different companies. You may see this sign at the JR Travel Service Center, which makes you think that you can get a Welcome Suica card here. But after I checked with the staff here, this is just for those who have the JR Pass. At the monorail station, there's no ticket counter, so you have to buy the monorail ticket at one of the vending machines. There are 6 vending machines here. One of them is for getting the JR tickets after booking online. 2 of them are for the Welcome Suica card, and 3 of them are for normal tickets and for topping up IC cards. So there are different lights for them. Usually, there's a line for the Welcome Suica card, which is often longer, and there's another line for normal tickets and topping up IC cards, which is often open. So just make sure you're in the right line. Above the normal ticket vending machines, there's a board with information about ticket pricing to some top destinations in the city. For example, from Haneda Airport to Tokyo Station is 690 yen, to Shinjuku Station is 730 yen, etc. This is the price if you buy a normal ticket. If you use an IC card like the Welcome Suica card, the price is cheaper than the price on this board. But if your destination is a station on the Yamanote Line, the cheapest way is to buy the Yamanote Line discounted ticket. Here's how. Get in the blue line and use a vending machine for normal tickets. After changing the menu to English, select the discount ticket for Monorail and Yamanote Line area on the bottom right of the screen. Then confirm your ticket details, insert money to pay, and then get your ticket and your change. So this is my ticket for today. Unfortunately, it's only in Japanese. Basically, it's saying the ticket is valid from Terminal 1 or 2 or 3 of Haneda Airport to any station within the Yamanote Line, including the transfer at Hamamatsucho Station, and it's only valid on the day you buy it. The ticket price is only 540 yen. So if you look at the price board again, all of the stations on this board are actually on the Yamanote Line. It means that if you get this discount ticket instead of the normal ticket, you can save about 20% at least. Unfortunately, this discount ticket is only available during weekends, holidays, and some other selected days, which you can check on the website of Tokyo Monorail. So check their website to see if the discount ticket is available on your arrival day or not. If it's not available, or you are going to a station which is not on the Yamanote Line, using an IC card will be cheaper than buying a normal ticket. So how to get an IC card? At the Monorail Station at Haneda Airport Terminal 3, you can get the Welcome Suica card. The card itself is free of charge and does not require 500 yen deposit like a normal IC card. So for example, if you top up 1,000 yen when you first get the card, you will have 1,000 yen balance on your card. However, the Welcome Suica card is only valid for 28 days. And it's not refundable. So if you're just in Japan for a short time, this card is suitable. Just top up the amount of money you need so that you can use up the balance. If you need to recharge the card, you can do it at train stations or subway stations, at a lot of convenience stores. You can also get an IC card on your smartphone wallet. The digital IC card also does not require a deposit. And you can top up the digital IC card at vending machines and convenience stores just like a physical card. Check out this video for more details about the IC cards. Anyway, now that we have the ticket, let's get on the monorail. To enter the station, you insert the ticket at the gate like this. It will come out on the other end of the gate. You take it back and keep your ticket because you will need it for the transfer and when you get off the train at your destination. After entering the station, you'll see a platform instruction board. Platform number 2 is to get to Hamamatsucho Station and transfer to the Yamanote Line. You can get on any train, either a local one which stops at all stations or an express one which goes to Hamamatsucho Station non-stop. So for example, in this case, the Haneda Express, departing at 15:04 will arrive at Hamamatsucho Station before the local one, which departs at 15:01. The monorail platform is one floor above the arrival floor. You can take the escalator or elevator to go up. The platform is quite spacious. There are vending machines and a few seats. There's a photo spot at the further end of the platform, which has an amazing view of the monorail coming into the station. Once you're on the train, if you sit on the right-hand side, you can have an amazing view of Tokyo Bay and the Rainbow Bridge. On the monorail, there are storage areas for luggage, although the settings are quite unique and most of them are for small luggage. So what's the luggage limit for the monorail? For this monorail, the luggage limit is up to 2 items, which are up to 30 kg in total weight and up to 250 centimeters in total dimension. By the way, there's no toilet and no Wi-Fi on the monorail. There used to be free Wi-Fi, but on the day of making this video, I couldn't find any free Wi-Fi, so I guess it's no longer available. What time is the first and last monorail of the day? For this monorail, the earliest one departing from Haneda Airport Terminal 3 station is after 5 a.m. and the latest one is around midnight. Hamamatsucho is the last stop of the monorail, so everyone will get off at this station. After getting off at Hamamatsucho Station, the transfer gate is downstairs, so you can take the stairs or escalator or elevator to go down, and then follow the green signs that says transfer to JR lines. At the transfer gate, you also insert the same ticket. Take it back on the other end of the gate and keep your ticket. Then keep walking straight forward to platform number 3. There are only 4 platforms of the JR lines at Hamamatsucho Station, so it's very easy to navigate. Platform number 2 and number 3 are for the Yamanote lines. If you're going to Shibuya and Shinjuku direction, take platform number 3. And if you're going to Tokyo, Ueno or Ikebukuro Station, that's platform number 2. Hamamatsucho is a compact station, which makes it really easy to transfer to JR lines here. There are toilets, coin lockers of different sizes, elevators and escalators to get down to the platform. Once you get to the platform, you may see this map. It tells you which car is closer to which exit at your destination. So for example, if your destination is Shinjuku Station and you want to get out at the south exit at Shinjuku Station, car number 10 will be best, as it's closer to the south exit when you get off at Shinjuku Station. So make sure you check with your hotel which exit you should take at Shinjuku JR Station. And then use this map. It will help you move faster. How long does it take to get from Haneda Airport to Shinjuku Station by the monorail? My whole trip from Haneda Airport Terminal 3 station to Shinjuku Station took me about 55 minutes, including the time waiting for the monorail at the airport and the time transferring to the Yamanote Line at Hamamatsucho Station. By the way, at the exit gate at Shinjuku Station, you insert the discount ticket at the gate like this to exit the station, and the gate will keep your ticket in the end. So how is the monorail compared to the KEIKYU line and the bus? In terms of time, they are roughly the same, about an hour from Haneda Airport to Shinjuku Station. In terms of price, the bus ticket is more than double the price of the KEIKYU line and the monorail. The biggest advantage of the bus is that you don't have to worry about carrying your luggage on and off the trains and transferring to a different train. And if you arrive late at night when the trains are not available, the bus is really your only public transportation option. The KEIKYU line has non-transfer trains to some popular destinations like Shinagawa Station, Yokohama Station, and Asakusa Station. So that's really ideal if you're going to one of those stations. The ticket price of the KEIKYU line from Haneda Airport Terminal 3 station to Shinjuku Station is 540 yen, which is the same as the discount ticket of the monorail. But unlike the discount ticket of the monorail, which is only available on weekends, holidays, and some selected days, the KEIKYU ticket is always available at this price. So if you arrive on a day that the monorail discount ticket is not available, the KEIKYU line is cheaper. But in terms of transferring to the Yamanote Line, I found that it's a bit easier and faster to transfer at Hamamatsucho Station because Hamamatsucho Station is more compact, less crowded, and everything is quite straightforward. Whereas Shinagawa Station is a lot bigger and busier, so it might be more overwhelming, especially for first-time visitors. Going back to Haneda Airport, you can take the Yamanote Line or the Keihin Tohoku Line to Hamamatsucho Station and then transfer to the monorail. If you have an IC card, you just tap and go. But if you only buy a ticket to Hamamatsucho Station, you need to buy a monorail ticket at Hamamatsucho Station before getting on the monorail. The monorail platform at Hamamatsucho tends to be busier in the middle of the train, so if you head to the cars at either end, it will be less crowded. You can see there are two lines on the floor. If you want to take the next train, you should line up in the first line, and if you want to take the train after the next one, you line up in the second line. Or if the first line is full, you can line up in the second one too. So the way it works is that when the next train arrives, those waiting in the first line will be allowed to board the train before those in the second line. And after the first line is clear, those on the second line will then move to the first line. So that's how to get from Haneda Airport to Tokyo Center by the monorail. All information in this video might be updated regularly, so I highly recommend you check out websites of the monorail and the airport for the latest updates before your trip. I'll leave all the related links in the description below this video. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with any of them. This is my personal experience, and I hope it could be of some help to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me continue to create more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning, safe travels, and until next time, take care and have a nice day.
ターミナルの準備となります。ドアを閉めます。ご注意ください。